Okay, guys, today we have something interesting. It's a celebration for Hamza because he was awarded in school for what?
My character award.
Your character award. And we are celebrating. And he didn't know that he was going to win this character award, but then he won it. And what do people with the character award, what is it supposed to be like? Why did they give you this?
Like a good character, like it's like you do good things and help people. Like you demonstrate school values.
Okay, so give me an example do you have any example of how you help someone and then you got
Like you give them respect or like help them.
Okay, so how did you help someone?
I'm not really sure. I don't know what I did. Like I didn't really know what I did.
Oh, you're just being yourself and yourself is helpful.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're celebrating it with this Mr. Beast lap swarms. Can you tell me a bit more about what is it actually? Because I'm not sure.
So it's a packet. So you're supposed to mix it with water and then shake it, and then inside there's like these type of minifigures will like maybe come out.
And we opened one and we actually got something very interesting. So we saw two of these minifigures. Okay, what I didn't expect is this one is actually what?
Bouncy.
Let's show you. Whoa! See, so different. And then this one over here, which is this weird elephant-looking guy, he's not bouncy, right? He's just rigid.
Yeah.
So you get different types of swarms, right?
Yep.
Okay, so what you need to do now is we need to get some water, and we need to get like a bowl,
Yeah.
and we need to get a tray. Okay, let's do it. Explain to us the process. What are you gonna do first?
So I'm just gonna cut this first.
Maybe I should handle the pair of scissors. Okay, so we have removed the plastic. Okay, go ahead, show us what to do.
So you get this like trademark like this one.
Uh-huh.
It's kind of like the same thing.
Okay.
So I think we just open it first. I have to take this.
What is that?
So instructions, you have to read it.
Oh, there's the instructions, but I think you know how to do it already, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, let's start.
Okay.
So I have to open this.
Okay. And what's that when you open it? Let me see. So you got
Whole, like what do you call it?
wow.
Collection like.
You got a whole collection of what do you call
there's
swarms?
1,000, so.
There are about one. Is it 1,000?
No,
100.
it's plus
There are 100 to
plus
collect.
It's plus
And you can see that some of them have got special finishes, glow in the dark, color changes, translucent, metallic. Oh, I see. So each one of them have a different property. And next to it, they show you what is the property that it has.
So we
never know what we're going to get.
The limited edition.
Yeah, we need to look out for this.
Yeah.
Hyperchrome. Hope we get a hyperchrome.
I don't know, that's really rare. I don't think so.
Okay, so now
So
with
let's
this
open
thing, I think you've got to open up this. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Okay, now I'm going to put the water. You hold the test tube. Hold the test tube over the bowl. Okay? Ready for the... No, you got to close the cap first, right?
Oh yeah.
What's the instruction, right?
We have to close the cap.
Okay, let's see here. It
Right, pour it in
says
the water.
hold it open for 15 seconds. Okay, let's do it. Watch for the reaction, guys. Okay, you got to fill it up all the way till this start. Okay, close it.
Oh no.
Okay, close it.
Wait.
Oh wait, open it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi 13, Mississippi 14, Mississippi 15. Okay, close it. Right, cool. Now you gotta wipe the top part so it doesn't make a mess.
So
And now we
just
have to
gotta
hold
wait
it for
it
like 30 seconds and shake it. Shake it.
Okay.
Shake. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Oh my god. 30 seconds later. 24, 25 Mississippi, 26 Mississippi, 27 Mississippi, 28 Mississippi, 29 Mississippi. 30. All right.
Let's take this
It's
out.
gonna explode. Oh no! Oh, look at the goop! Look at the blue goop!
Look at that. The character.
Wow.
Alright.
Right, let's see what did we get.
Open it.
I hope we got the hyper one.
Oh wait. Wait a
You gotta close the cap first, sir. Close the cap. Okay, all right. Now open the black. No, close the cap and open, funny man.
Oh, close the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to know when you do it.
All right, let's do it. Let's see what we got. What did we get? Oh no! Don't open it over there. Open it in the bowl.
Okay.
All right. So you want to go rinse it off in the toilet from the blue goop.
Okay.
Make sure you don't drop the blue goop everywhere. Okay, so guys, we got this. Oh, I love this. This is my most favorite, I think. It's a hand, and it's kind of soft. It's kind of squishy. If
Yeah,
you look at it,
let's see if it's rare.
look at this.
Okay, let's see if it's rare.
And then we've got this squiggly thing. Oh my God, his mouth can open and close. Good evening, doctor.
Wait, again?
Yeah, see.
Oh,
Good
wow.
evening, doctor. My name is Blockhead.
It's actually the song. It's common. It's a common. So let's see. This
But
one
each one of them have different properties. So let's find the properties of it. All right, guys. So the first one, this is apparently a rare piece because it says over here, Snap Slapper, Mr. Beast Club, and it's got like a rare symbol. That's cool. You gotta keep this safe. Could be worth like millions of dollars in the future. Who knows? Okay, we identified another one
So
of this.
it was common. It was common.
This is called Techno Terrors, and this pink sign says
Oh,
it's
wait.
common. Whoa, no, oh no.
Okay, so
But I
that's
like this
common.
guy. I don't even know what it's supposed to be, but it looks
It's
kind of spooky.
It's named Music Mayhem.
Okay, so shall we open the next bunch of heads?
All right, let's.
All right, so you gotta tear that open. Oh no, we got Mr. Beast's head out. Oh no. All right, let's open it. Now these look a bit interesting to me, if you ask me.
These are special editions.
Special editions. Let me take a look and see what is it closely.
These are special editions.
Let me see that.
So
Okay.
we can see. Oh.
Oh, now this one is nice and shiny. Now there
So,
must be something that they can do. Maybe they change color.
So yeah, some of them
Special
can change
edition
color,
hard
so-
heads. Okay, so let's look for this guy over here. Which one is this guy?
I-
There. Tough
yeah.
top. Tooth top. What does tooth top symbol mean over there? What is that?
There's no symbol because it's special edition, and you can't like mix it. So when it's not, there's no properties for rare or
Oh, there's no properties for rare.
Yeah.
Okay, but there must be something
or
over here
anything.
with the. Oh, it's called hard heads. Okay, yeah. So there's no properties for this.
Yeah.
I really want to get the color changing one. That'll be really cool. I think that one
Yeah,
they should make.
I really want to.
Why don't they make that one rare? I don't know why they put these ones as rare. I don't get it. All right, let's take a closer look at this one as well. This has got claws. Oh my god.
Actually, that's
You
this
know-
one is glow in the dark. Well, we can get glow in the dark or color change, but this one is glow in the dark, and that's rare, and this one is also rare.
You know what is this for? Look at its claws. Okay, now come closer. Come closer. If you've got a booger in your nose, you get to take it out. All right, tear open the rest of the packet to remove the 2 test tubes. I think,
Oh my god. Wait,
and you've got.
I think we should just do this, like take that out first.
Yeah, I think take out that one first. Okay, so now these ones actually just came with the. We didn't have to go and do the test tube thingy.
I saw this earlier more. So
And,
we we only get
Oh
one
man,
rare.
this is really squishy. Try that.
Oh my god.
You know what? You know which one's my favorite?
I think can
Oh,
you
this has to be my favorite. You know what this is? It's after a deep sea fish.
Actually,
It's called a lantern fish, guys, if you're wondering. And you can close its mouth
it's
like
called
that.
lampy.
What are the properties of a lampy? Let me see.
So we only get one rare. I saw this earlier, like.
It's called a photon fish.
No, there's
Okay,
different
this-
types, and it looks like the same, but you don't really know, man.
It says photon. What does a photon fish do? Now, a photon fish should actually glow, right? That's the whole idea.
No, it's not a photon fish. It might look like the same, but it might.
Okay,
not
it says
be a
it's
photon-
blue, so it's rare. This is rare. This is rare, dude. This is a rare piece.
How's that rare?
I don't know. You know what you can do with this?
Not rare.
You know what you can do with this? You can stick it in your nose like that.
No. What do you think about sticking everything in your nose?
I don't know. I'm a AC. Okay, now these guys, let's show you how they look like. Whoa! This one looks like it's got its brain outside its.
It's called a snail, a failed snail.
A failed snail. And we already saw this one. And oh, I like this one as well. Looks like a wolf. Like a mutant wolf.
It's actually a bristle bite.
A bristle bite. Now, what properties does it have?
It's common. Like mostly we get.
Oh, yeah, bristle bite. No, it's not. It says red. Oh, yeah, red is common.
Yeah, right.
Ha! Okay.
Actually, we only got one rare.
Guys, we only got like one rare. This one is kind of cool. It's like a Frankenstein.
So I think we got one rare in our packet.
Uh-huh.
There's definitely gotta be one.
I want to look at this vomitous one. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? Slimer from the Ghostbusters.
How's that?
What is it really hard? What is this? This is definitely like a ghost series because I can
really
see some
think about
ooze at the back. Can you see the ooze coming out from the back? Ugh.
Okay, yeah. Wait, so I want to look what properties does this have.
Yeah, what properties does it have? Oh no, this is a common one, guys.
Oh, wait,
It's
nah.
common.
Wait,
There's
no.
nothing special about it.
Nah. Wait. But, wait, it can't be common. It can't be common. Okay, so, remember the thing about I saying like it looks the same but it's actually different? But look at that, the tail.
Yeah?
It doesn't have that. It doesn't have that thing.
Oh.
It doesn't have that tail.
Maybe
So,
it's a manufacturing defect. So maybe your thing, which is common, has actually become rare because everyone has the tail. Do you think that's possible?
I don't think that's possible.
I really want to get the color changing one. Let's hope we can get it when we open up the two other test tubes. Shall we begin?
Alright, let's do it.
Guys, if we get the whacker rat and the rake shackle, these are glow in the dark ones. Okay, now we can see the color changing. Let's go and see which one it is. Okay, the rage roar is the one that is the color changing one as well. All right, hopefully we get some of these, guys. Some of these. And here comes the experimenter, Hamza.
I think I'm gonna start pouring.
Okay, stand in front of the bowl. Put the thing there. All right, and here we go.
Just fill it up.
All right, I think done. Wait, 15 seconds. Mississippi 15. Close the cap. Quickly. The creature wants to come out. Shake it for 30 seconds. 1, 2, Mississippi 30. Done. All right, quickly open it before the creature has no. Oh, it starts to explain. Oh, what is that? I think we've got something interesting. We've got something interesting, guys. Hopefully. Right. Oh, what did we get? Rinse it, put it inside. Rinse them in the goop. Oh, yes, look at the goop. Oh, yes, we've got a crab and we've got something else.
Oh, this one, I think it's color changing. I think this is color changing.
This one?
I mean glow in the dark. I think this might be glow in the dark.
Okay, so you better go and rinse it off and come back here. Okay, let's see what are the two new ones that we have. Right, now we've got this one. Now Hamza thinks this is the glow in the dark. He's going to check.
Yeah.
Go and check it and see if it's glow in the dark.
I
Look at the claw, guys. Look at it. Ow! Ah! It's biting me. Oh, you monster. You're not supposed to bite me like that.
Wait,
Is it glow in the dark or not?
whoa, I can't find it on here.
Let me help you. We got another common. Ah, man. What about this crab guy? But I think the crab guy looks kind of cool because
Okay, let's
it's,
see.
it's biting me.
It doesn't hurt.
Yes, use the imagination.
Oh, it's common, but it's a Mr. Beast squad.
Mr. B. Scott. All right, that's cool.
It's
Okay.
Scab Trap.
Now let's hope the last chest tube, which is this one, will have something interesting for us. You see, like before you add the water, it's very difficult to know what is the object. So that is the mystery. I mean, so in Singapore, this is about $10, $10.
Yeah, 10 bucks I think.
Yeah, and I think the thrill of it is kind of like filling it up with water and doing that. So just to let you know, you'll end up with a blue color solution like this. It is kind of like the paper and everything. I don't know what it is supposed to be, but it's not a slime. I thought it was a slime. That would be kind of cool if it was slime, but still, lots of fun, I think. Right, ready
let's
for
do
the
the
last
last
section. One Mississippi, two we're counting again. And look at it bubble, guys. Okay, there is definitely a chemical reaction
Okay,
that
come
is
on,
causing.
keep moving. Like, we're gonna lose
All right,
track.
and yeah, and you can close.
Okay.
Okay, now you need to shake it. 28, 29, 30. All right, done. Okay, guys. Woo! That bit of pop. And you got to drain that water out. Drain it. It's become a slime. Huh. That's kind of strange. That is strange.
Nunca.
What? It all dropped. I see something really cool. Something shiny in the water. Please use a towel to wipe your hands. Thank you, sir. Oh, man. Do you think that's an ultra rare one?
Oh, we got sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Woohoo! All right. Maybe wipe your hands first. Wait. Wipe your hands first, bruh.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
I want to see what sunscreen.
Oh, you should go and rinse it out first because they're still
Instead of
dirty.
rinse it.
They're still dirty. You got to rinse it out. Rinse it out. Let's go and rinse it and come back here and show everyone what you got. All right. So these are the two new pieces. These look like monstrous sunflowers.
They're called Terra Twins.
Terra Twins. And the other one that we got, which was kind of shiny, which I liked a lot, it's like a blender that has gone berserk. I think it's called Blender Berserk. Am I right?
No, but it was close. It was called Blender Brawler.
Well, I had a lot of fun. Did you have a lot of fun?
Yeah,
And this is
and they were both are common.
and this is our collection now. Out of all of this, let me show you. Oh, let's ask Hamza. Hamza, out of all of this, which one is maybe your first favorite?
I think this would be the best. Like I love
Okay.
it. It's so cool.
Okay, and what is your second favorite?
Second
Number 2.
favorite, I would say this. I go for the golden.
Okay, and number 3, the third position. Which one is the winner?
Third, I think this one. I think
Okay.
the shiny one's better.
So you want to know what Daddy's one is?
What?
Okay,
I
this
know,
one,
definitely this one.
definitely this guy, number 1. Okay, guys, if you get this, let me know because I really like. I want to be in a room full of these things, right? Jump in a pond. It's so cool. Okay, it really is. Okay, it's kind of like a weird feeling. Hello, my name is Johnson. And then after that, maybe number 2 has to be the lantern fish kind of thing because I love the deep sea. Do you like the deep sea? Do you want to be a deep sea diver?
No.
Hello, my name is Lanternfish. I'm going to reside in Hamza's ear. Right, so this is F number 2, and the last one is, let me see. Oh, this one, when I first discovered that each of them have different properties without reading the instruction. Why I like this is because it's squishy and it can bounce a lot. All right, so this is our collection so far. Probably we'll get some more along the way. All right, so good stuff.
I.
All right, so please clean up the mess. I am going to take a nap. Goodbye.